Hey, hey, hey. Early evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're at. That sounded totally silly, but I don't care at this point. I'm coming to the end of my day, and I thought I'd pop on real quick and do what I did earlier, where when I got ready for my day today, I mixed two I mixed two colors to make a new color of lipstick. And mind you, I learned this from my upline. And it's amazing how you can create a whole new color. Okay. So, mind you, I know right now lipsticks like, why bother? But Stay Matte lipsticks are there to stay. Just don't put your mask on until your makeup's dry. Okay. Make sure your makeup is dry and your lipstick is dry before you do it. Now I'm going to be pink because I am a pink person. So I hope this finds everyone well and feeling good today. I'm just going to see if I can kill some of the red. And anyway, so I wanted to go live last night, and my spouse interrupted me. I thought he heard where I was going to be in here. And so I'm trying to get this in right now. And I'll do the same tomorrow. Right now I'm just I'm unpinking me. That's CC cream for you. It just kind of kills the red, right? So I just don't want to mess up my blush and stuff. So anyway, the ability to mix lipsticks, all right? With this situation, what we're going to do is we are going to take two colors, total opposites. We're going to take, nope, not that one. This one. And I got product on it. Just a second. For some reason, when I grab a tube, sometimes I wind up squishing out product, and I wind up with it all over me. Okay, we're going to take Confident Stay Matte lipstick, and we're going to take Autumn Story. Both beautiful on their own, okay? Don't get me wrong, they're both beautiful on their own. But today, we're going to take them, and we're going to blend them together to make me not look so crazy. So, which is a difficult thing to do. So what you do is we're going to take Confident first. Okay. I love to get it on my teeth. I got the phone and the mirror. If Isabel, my granddaughter, was here right now, I'd just have her do it. I'd have her sit here and I'd do it for her. Okay. There's Confident. Okay. It's like a subtle purple. Okay. Lips are covered. Again, because I use makeup remover to get the last dose of lipstick off, it turned me pink because that's my undertone is pink. So now I'm going to take Confident, which, ladies, is like wearing a burnt orange, okay? But we're going to take this. I'm going to wipe a lot of it off. Still tacky. You're like, oh, no. You don't want a lot. And you just kind of blend it into it. I do that every time. Everybody's got that little dip in their lip. And you see? what it does. And I'll show you on my arm what they look like on their own. But see, it gave you a nice lip color. And if you're not a matte, and mind you, like I said, let this dry, and you can put your mask on, and you're not going to lose, and use your time locker, but you're not going to lose your lipstick. It's going to stay, okay? Yeah, it's going to wear off. You're going to lick your lips, everything. So I'm going to show you these two colors, all right? Okay, so that's Autumn's Story. Let's do this. Let's go this way. That's Autumn's Story on its own, okay? And this is Confident. It doesn't look anything like it does in the bottle. I guess I got a huge bruise on my arm. That's what I get for trying to break a fall with a brick wall. And there's Confident, okay? They're gorgeous on their own. Of course, Autumn Story is more of a fall color. But I took these two colors, right? And I made one color. And the before and after I posted today shows that. And then you can even take, I'll show you, you can even take a colored gloss, nicely light, and add some shine. You can get that ombre look by simply taking a shimmery eyeshadow or primer for your eyes or whatever, but shimmery, and dab it center of your lip. Just dab it around the center of your lip, and it gives you this ombre effect. Super simple. If I can do it, you can do it. And it's saying a lot that I can do it. But I didn't learn this just by sitting here. I watched and learned everything for this. But you can take two colors. Let's say you've got a bright color that you just, all by itself, you're like, nope, no way, not doing it, not happening. And what if I said, then put it on and put a lighter color over the top of it, and it'll dye it down. Boom. You still get that color, but that color has now been muted, right? So no one's watching today. It never fails because of the time I'm doing this. And anyway, that's a how-to by Lois. Just wanted to show you. And also to let you know, thank you very much for being an Ageless Beauty. And holler at me anytime, because I do have product available for sale and on hand for sale. Not everything, okay? I even have a vegan brush set sitting here. So, and I do also keep it at work, all right? But anyway, that's a how-to. Confident and Autumn Story. And boom. Gives you, I don't know, I guess you'd call it a muted purpley, I love it actually. It's just a pretty color. But and it also goes with my skin. So anyway, you all have a blessed evening, and me and the hubby are going to have a quiet night tonight as my house emptied out today. Sad to say, the son and future daughter-in-law went back home, and we're going to have a quiet evening here because the grandbabies are at their dad's for the night. And I'm sure my daughter and her, might as well call my fiance, will go home. Or go home. We'll go out tonight. So, I'm always worried about getting it on my teeth. So, anyway, I'll go. And everybody, blessed evening and blessed weekend. Okay, enjoy. And whoever just popped on, thank you. And I'm going to sign off now, and you guys go on back and watch. Okay? Hey, Sandy. I just did a lipstick demo. Pop on. I'm going to finish off now and get off, and you can go back and take a look at it. I mixed some colors together to make a color. So, anyway, have a great weekend, guys, and stay warm.